This video covers the ALEX topic, evaluating an expression with a negative exponent as long as there's a negative integer base. So we have our negative exponent rule, which I've covered before, but now we're going to be working with negatives. So we have to remember that if I have a negative number raised to an even power, it becomes an even number because two negatives make a positive. If I have a negative number raised to an odd power, right, it becomes it stays odd, right? Because 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 is a positive 4, but times a negative 2 again brings us to negative 8. So if I have negative 2 to the negative 3, that's saying, okay, this is a negative exponent, so it's going to be 1 over negative 2 cubed. Well, that would be 1 over negative 8, so negative 1/8. If I have negative 7 to the, I think this was supposed to be a 2, so I'm going to change it to a 2. If I have negative 7 to the negative 2, that becomes 1 over negative 7 squared, which would give me 1 over a positive 49. So let's work through a few more examples. If I have negative 4 to the negative 3, that becomes 1 over negative 4 cubed. Well, negative 4 cubed would be a negative 64. If I have negative 4 to the negative 2, that's 1 over negative 4 squared, which would give us 1 over a positive 16. If I have negative 3 to the negative 3, that's negative 3 cubed, right? We don't like negative exponents in our denominators, we push them to the top. And if there's negative exponents in our numerators, we push them to the bottom. That would give me a negative 27. And if I have 1 over negative 3 to the negative squared, that gives me negative 3 squared, which becomes a positive 9.